Alright, gang, I'm here with a 20, I believe it's an 18 Jaguar customer complaint. It's a P250 all-wheel drive. Customer complaint of having a flat tire when she came out to go on lunch from work. So, and it was a sidewall puncture. So, if any of y'all know about tires, I'm not a professional tire guy, but I do know how to do plugs. But you're really not supposed to plug the sidewall, but this is like an emergency, so I got this done for her. And as y'all see, it's holding air. I mean, this thing was coming out fast too, but now it's actually holding. Like I said, don't recommend doing a sidewall patch, but for now, yeah, so for now we got it holding air, at least for like emergency purposes. Like I said, to be able to get her home, it'll hold until she get off work and she can go purchase a new tire. But I just wanted to show y'all this because some people might be in this
GPS signal lost.
No, I should have taped it with me doing it, but y'all get the point. But yeah, just emergency case, just to get her home. So I'll let y'all in the next one. Have a satisfied customer. All right. Just wanted to come in here and get a video of this for you so you can see how it's looking. Use this light. So the little titty is still in there a little bit. I was going to cut this little extra off, but I can't do it yet because it's not dry. So I recommend, letting this dry before cutting it off. By the time you get off work, though, you'll be able to take some scissors or something and just snip like half of that off. I don't want to do it now because, like I said, it's still wet. But yep, it's holding though, as you see, and you can't hear it leaking.
GPS signal lost.